Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide device name labels in Cisco Packet Tracer. So for this case we have to open any kinds of file through a Cisco Packet Tracer software which already I opened it before. So here what we want the router or any kinds of device. See the router 0, router something. See router 1, it has a device name label, so we want to hide this label. So how? Here the options and go to the preference. See the device name label, it has by default mark. If we want to unmark this, so we have to click. See the all device has been removed or hide. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.